Serabi, wih, enak tenan. 250 gram of rice flour, 25 gram of all-purpose flour, 60 gram of sugar. By the way, do you know or ever taste this pancake, guys? 4 gram of yeast, a half teaspoon of salt. Serabi is often referred to be similar to pancakes originating from the Netherlands. It was said that the original one has two flavors. 1 egg, 250 milliliter of instant coconut milk, a teaspoon of pandan paste. First, the sweet serabi is added with Kinca or liquid palm sugar. Second, the salty serabi, which is sprinkled with mushroom on top. 350 milliliter of water. Generally, to Indonesians, serabi is served as a breakfast menu. However, with the increasing number of the seller, we can find this pancake from morning to night time. The most serabi lovers, this culinary is also growing. Serabi is now continuously modified in terms of taste. But about the origin of serabi is still debated. According to the late Bondan Wirano, a culinary expert, tends to revert serabi as a modification of appam from India, which is also made from rice flour and a little yeast. 250 gram of palm sugar, 2 pandan leaves. This appam then developed into a softer pancake because it uses more coconut oil. To the Javanese, appam is believed to come from the Arabic afum, which means forgiveness or protection. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt. In the Javanese view, this cake is not only as food but also as a form of prayer for forgiveness and protection. For your information, almost all traditional Javanese ceremonial rituals use appam as offerings. 130 milliliter of instant coconut oil. Starting from the ceremony during pregnancy, circumcision, marriage to death. 1.5 teaspoon of dissolved cornstarch. He also stated that a couple of Chinese descendants firstly made appam and then serabi in Solo. It happened accidentally, as there was a customer who asked for a flat-shaped appam, which became known as serabi today. Then they created serabi as a result of the development of appam cake, and unexpectedly serabi has become more popular than appam. And another source said that serabi itself has been known since the Mataram kingdom. Serabi was mentioned several times in Serat Centini, which was written by the poets of Surakarta court during 1814 to 1823 at the behest of Paku Buwana V. This was as offerings in the ijab or wedding processions and ruahan. Today, serabi is served with a variety of flavors, and in addition to Kinca sauce, there is also a splash of durian sauce or even added beaten chicken eggs. Now, who would have thought that serabi used to be just a traditional snack has now turned into a favorite snack for various groups and across generations? So, what's your favorite flavor, guys?